and so many brushes and a contour. I'll show you them. Okay, let's do my makeup with the products. Starting off, I'm gonna use this silky foundation. With that dot, you're gonna put blotches underneath my eye. I'm gonna do that. And just around my face. You're gonna use a beauty blender and blend. Take this concealer palette and use the shade right here. Pick some of that up with a brush in those areas where you want to cover up some blemishes or marks, you know how it be. And then blend with the beauty blender again. I'm gonna take this sculpting one and I'm gonna contour my nose going straight down on the sides and this guy down the middle like that. And then I'm gonna blend it with this guy. Just like that. This eyebrow one, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up some spots and I'm gonna take the other end and brush it out. Perfect. Using this gorgeous eyeshadow palette again, since it doesn't come with a blush, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. See, it's all picking up. And I'm gonna dust it on my cheeks. Use the poof and get underneath our eyes, the side of our nose a little bit. It's just gonna help get rid of some of the oil. Final touches, I'm gonna add on a nice little gloss. We're done.